The expression "make waves" is a widely used idiomatic phrase that conveys the idea of creating a significant impact or causing disruption within a particular context. The phrase originates from the notion of waves in water, which can be powerful and far-reaching, affecting their surroundings as they propagate. When someone or something makes waves, they are making a noticeable and often influential change that captures attention and generates a response from others. In various domains, making waves can be seen as a positive or negative action, depending on the perspective and the consequences of the disruption. In a positive sense, making waves may signify taking bold and innovative initiatives that challenge the status quo and lead to positive transformations. Visionary leaders, activists, and change makers often make waves by championing new ideas, advocating for social justice, or pushing for progressive policies that benefit society. In the world of science and technology, making waves is synonymous with groundbreaking discoveries and advancements that revolutionize industries. Innovators who introduce disruptive technologies or novel solutions make waves by reshaping markets and challenging established norms. On the other hand, making waves can also have negative connotations when it involves causing disturbances, conflict, or controversy. Individuals or groups who stir up trouble, create discord, or engage in disruptive behaviors can be said to make waves that unsettle the prevailing peace or harmony. In the context of interpersonal relationships, making waves often refers to voicing one's opinions or concerns assertively, even if they challenge the prevailing consensus. Advocating for change or standing up against injustice can be seen as making waves, as it demands attention and action. In the workplace, employees who make waves may be viewed as troublemakers if their actions challenge the organizational hierarchy or disrupt established procedures. However, in some cases, making waves in a professional setting can lead to positive outcomes, such as improved working conditions, increased productivity, or more inclusive practices. When someone is encouraged to make waves, it can be an invitation to be proactive, to take initiative, and to be unafraid of challenging the status quo. It suggests that one should not be complacent or passive, but rather embrace opportunities for growth and positive change. In conclusion, make waves is an expressive idiom that denotes creating a significant impact or disruption in a particular context. It can have positive or negative connotations, depending on the nature and consequences of the disruption. In various domains, making waves is associated with innovation, activism, and assertiveness, and it is often considered a catalyst for positive transformations and progress. However, it is essential to be mindful of the potential ramifications of making waves, as it can also lead to conflict or discord if not approached thoughtfully and responsibly.